Critics of the San Francisco Diocese's recent announcement that it may declare Chapter 11 bankruptcy call the move a harmful ploy to try to prevent survivors from healing from their trauma.
The Archdiocese is currently facing more than 500 sexual abuse claims dating back decades. As KRON 4's Teresa Estacio reports, the critics say the announcement is also part of a larger strategy to silence victims.
Furious and fighting back, that is how one sexual abuse survivor says he feels about the recent announcement that the San Francisco Diocese will likely declare bankruptcy.
They have a history of molesting kids for decades and wreaking havoc upon innocent children.
Joey Pescatelli is a member of SNAP, the survivors network of those abused by priests. He believes the action is not because the church doesn't have the funds to settle lawsuits, but that it doesn't want the public to know the truth.
They want to hide things that they've done, and they're trying to keep that out of the public's view.
They looked to the money and said, we really don't want to pay these people what we should.
Rick Simmons is an attorney who has represented sexual abuse survivors who have successfully sued the San Francisco Archdiocese of San Francisco. He is currently set for trial soon, but he says a bankruptcy would freeze all lawsuits.
As soon as the petition's filed, all civil actions like my client's case that's set for trial August 23rd, and all of the efforts to obtain information called discovery are stayed. In other words, they stop, halt, and cannot proceed until the bankruptcy court gives approval or the bankruptcy is resolved. And usually that's a long time.
In a statement, the Archdiocese claimed the bankruptcy would allow the Archdiocese two very important goals. First, quote, Chapter 11 is a process that brings all parties together in one place to resolve difficult claims fairly and equitably under the supervision of the bankruptcy court, allowing the Archdiocese to deal with hundreds of cases collectively rather than one at a time. Further, they added that it would allow the process a faster resolution. However, Pescatelli says compensation for the harm done is not the only point of the lawsuits.
And I did defeat the Catholic Church and the priests who did things to me, and it was vindicating. And I think a lot of survivors wanted to be vindicated and have their day in court, and they're going to miss that opportunity.
Teresa Estacio, KRON 4 News.